Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add post to featured section of our Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Facebook account. So once you log in, you simply need to select your page. And here you can see the featured section. Here you can see that people won't see this unless you pin something. So then you need to click on manage. So here you can see that you can pin upcoming events, recent videos. So if I want to pin recent videos, so I simply need to click here, and just now it is pinned. So let me show you. So here you can see that. Let me refresh. So here you can see that by this method you can also add post onto your Facebook page featured section. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.